Hey, how's it going? So, my name's TJ, and this is my video application for the 2016-17 winter season at Fernie. So, a little bit about myself quickly. I'm 23, turning 24, from Sydney in Australia, and the last 5 winter seasons here in Oz, I've spent working at the ski resorts we've got here. I did my first 2 ski seasons at a resort called Thredbo, and then my last 3 have been at a resort called Mount Hotham. I've also done one more in British Columbia at a resort called Sun Peaks, which is, I guess, sort of near Kamloops. And that was the 2014-15 season, which was pretty bad, but we had fun anyway. So, I guess being a lifty for 6 seasons now, if I head over to Fernie, that'll be my 7th season as a lifty. So, I guess you could chuck me in wherever you wanted. I can run a fixed grip, a detach. I could do, pretty much anything you wanted to. I've been a lifty for quite a little while now, and I still love it. You know, I still love being a lifty, still love chatting to the guests, still love the whole mountain lifestyle. I started off as an attendant, then jumped up to an operator, then started de-icing the chairs and doing a bit more work like that. So typically in Australia, whenever we get snow, we get a lot of moisture building up, and it's pretty common for our chairs to look sort of like this. So that morning in particular was a pretty bad morning, but that gives you an idea of some of the work that we do. This season in particular, I was fortunate enough to be bumped up to an area supervisor, which I guess is what you guys would call your lead hands. So I guess it's my job in the morning to take up all the de-icers on sleds, set them on their towers, start clearing a line of all the ice. Honestly, it can take anywhere from 2 to 3 hours some days. It's all good fun. We love it. But yeah, so obviously I'm a skier, and I'm actually applying for Fernie with a bunch of mates from Hotham. I met a girl this year at Hotham called Ashley Mobbs, who says she's worked with you guys for quite a few seasons now, and she's talked Fernie up quite a bit, and I think it sounds like a pretty rad resort. We're always really happy, really easygoing. In Australia, we place a big emphasis on customer service. So, you know, interacting with the guests, talking, you know, playing jokes on them, whatever you want. You know, we really do love what we do. In my 6 seasons of being a lifty, never once have I called in sick or rocked up to work drunk, and I'm pretty proud of that. And the guys that are applying with me are exactly the same. We all hold that sort of really high standards. So, I mean, if you guys like us, let us know as soon as possible, and we'll definitely get a place to stay in Fernie, and we'd love to head over and do a winter season with you guys. So, cheers for that. Hope to see you soon.